Alright.
I already started the video.
I know, let's get this party started. Alright, welcome back to Cooking with Wine with me, Holly. Today we're gonna make cauliflower pasta. It's super easy, minimal ingredients, and I think you should be able to get this from the grocery store at this point. I mean, we're not using toilet paper, so that's a benefit.
Yum. I do.
The ingredients for cauliflower pasta are a high quality olive oil, some mint, a red onion, thinly sliced, a head of cauliflower cut into flowerets, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, sea salt, crushed red peppers, rigatoni pasta or pasta of your choice. And the one ingredient for yourself is the wine. Because I don't have like temperature on these, because this oven is quite frankly stupid. Works well, but I don't know. I mean, obviously this is low and that's high, but I'm in the middle, but I don't have, anyway. Long story short, you want to add the olive oil, around 2 tablespoons or so. Let that heat up for a second. You can kind of feel it. Don't touch it. You have plenty of time to drink some wine. Oh my god, I'm gonna be wasted. Oh, and FYI, I cut none of these vegetables or anything after I started drinking, so please stay away from knives. The next thing you want to add is the mint, and it shouldn't be crackling because you don't want it to burn. See, it's a little bit warm and you hear it, but it shouldn't be turning brown because that's not the goal. And the mint leaves are, I don't know, 15 to 20. How much mint do you like, you know? And then you add your red onion. This recipe is so incredibly simple. So then you just want to, oh, I've got an escapee. You want to just mix it around and then let this settle for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You don't want them to get burnt. While this is cooking, you want to start your water. So just get your water going and turn it on to the highest level. I don't know what I'm doing. When you think your feeling is that it's done, it shouldn't be burnt, be a little wilted. The mint should be a little crispy, but not crazy. You're gonna add the cauliflower. And, oh my god. Had a little bit to drink, so hence why I cut all of these vegetables before I started drinking. Just saying. Okay, that's good. That's heavy. And then you just want to stir it around. Oh shit. We have. Where'd it go? I don't know. Oh my god. An escapee. Whatever. He escaped. I don't know where he went. Hey! Get your pie hole! As we have our final probably 10 minutes of this, stir it pretty consistently so it doesn't, you know, stick or burn. But if it's on low heat, you're fine. And then you want to heavily salt your pasta water. And you might not think that that's enough. Hold on. I'm thinking that we need to salt this bitch up. There you go. Shit, I need another thing. I'm gonna use my broken one. So you just stir it around. You want it so salty that when you come out of the ocean and you get a gulp of the water, that's what it tastes like. You want it so salty. So,
Great metaphor.
well, you know, it is what it is. You keep stirring this because you don't want it to burn. Where's my wine?
I'll give you a shirt. I hate you right now. Literally, why? Wearing all white. How did you even do that?
The cauliflower is a little bit brown and colored, and the onions have a little opaque color to it. So I would say turn the heat off and wait for your pasta water. Dump our pasta in there. So we'll set that timer for 10 to 12 minutes, but we are going to move this, our mixture, we don't want it to cook anymore, into a pot. Okay, and then we just wait. So with all your salt, you need to grab at least half a cup or 2 cups of pasta water. Oh shit, I need to like. Okay. Save some pasta water and then drain your pasta. Then you want to add your pasta. If you have your chili flakes, spread that around. And you have your Parmesan cheese and pasta water. Just there you go. I would say if you save 2 cups. Your liking. You can add more cheese, more spice, salt, pepper, but at the end of the day, it's delicious. So